Thinking of engaging in a small talk but don't know how to start? I'll tell you a trick on how to do that, so stick around. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to episode 3 of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will learn how to start a conversation mainly by commenting about the weather, or what we call 季節の挨拶. It is always good to have something prepared as conversation starter so you will not feel awkward. And this could also serve as an icebreaker. Are you ready? Let's get into it. それでは始めましょう。寒いですね。This Japanese sentence means it's cold, isn't it? You may start with this sentence when you see that the person you are with is feeling cold. Desune is used to confirm if the other person is feeling the same way. Please take note that we'll use desune throughout this episode. Let's practice. 寒いですね。寒いですね。atsuiですね。This is the opposite of the previous sentence because this sentence means it's hot, isn't it? You will often hear Japanese saying this sentence during summer season. Let's practice. 暑いですね。暑いですね。雨が降ってきましたね。That sentence, 雨が降ってきましたね, means it started to rain, hasn't it? Normally, Japanese will only say 降ってきましたね to sound more friendly and naturally. A little push on the conversation like this could be a wonderful start. Let's practice. 雨が降ってきましたね。雨が降ってきましたね。晴れましたね。It means it has cleared up, hasn't it? This sentence is applicable to use as conversation starter immediately after the rain has stopped. Let's practice. 晴れましたね。晴れましたね。暖かくなってきましたね。Usually this conversation starter is being used when the season is about to change, especially during the winter to spring or spring to summer, because this Japanese sentence means it's getting warmer, isn't it? Let's practice. 暖かくなってきましたね。暖かくなってきましたね。いい天気ですね。When you want to say it's a beautiful weather today, isn't it? We say いい天気ですね in Japanese. Let's practice. いい天気ですね。いい天気ですね。Sharing time. Let me know how to say いい天気ですね in your native language. Please type your answers in the comment section. It would be nice if you have some language exchange, right? Let's continue by looking at the summary of what we have talked about today. I hope you were able to learn today, and don't be shy to use them whenever you have the chance. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload brand new lesson video, because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。